All right. So the last one, 5C, is going to be, do this on a separate one because I need some space here. 5 square roots of 200 minus 3 square roots of 32. So same thing. At first glance, it looks like you can't subtract these, but you have to simplify the radicals to check. So 200, let's see what the prime factorization here is. Divide by 2, that's 100. Divide by 2, that's 50. Divide by 2, that's 25. Divide by 5, that's 5. Divide by 5, that's 1. So there's 200. Now for 32. 32 I can divide by 2, 16. Divide by 2, that gives me 8. Divide by 2, that gives me 4. Divide by 2, that gives me 2. Divide by 2 one more time. There we go. So this first term is 5 square roots of 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. My second term is negative 3 square roots of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The index is 2, so to leave the radical, they need to leave in pairs. So here's one pair of 2's. Here's a pair of 5's. On my second term, I got a pair of 2's right here and another pair of 2's right here. So what's going to be on the outside of the radical? We're going to have times 2 and times 5. What's left on the inside of the radical? A 2. And on my second term, it's going to be times 2 times another 2. And what's left on the second term on the inside? Just a 2. So let's see what my two terms end up being. So what is 5 square roots of 200 end up being? It's 5 times 2 times 5, which is 50 square roots of, what's left on the inside? The 2. Right? And the second term right here, 2 times 2 times negative 3 is negative 12 square roots of what was left on the inside? The 2. So here it is. 50 square roots of 2 minus 12 square roots of 2. Now we can subtract because the radicals are the exact same, right? So 50 minus 12 is? 38 square roots of 2, and that is your final answer.